Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Let's see today's problem. Earliest finish time for land and water rights. You are given two categories of theme park attractions: land rides and water rides. Land rides start time I. The earliest time the I ride can be boarded. Land duration of I. How long the I land ride lasts. Water rides. The water start time. The earliest time the jth water ride can be boarded. The water duration of J. How long the jth water ride lasts. The tourist must experience exactly one ride from each category in either order. A ride may be started at its opening time or any moment later. If a ride is started at time t, it finishes at time t plus duration. Immediately after finishing one ride, the tourist may board the other if it is already open, or wait until it opens. Return the earliest possible time at which the tourist can finish both the rides. So in this question, we are giving to four areas: the land start time, the time at which the land rides will start boarding; the land duration, what is the particular duration of that land rides. For example, if it starts at 2 units of time and the duration is 4, then this land ride will last at 6 units of time. Similarly, for water rides, we have water start time and water duration. So the tourist must experience at least one ride from the land ride and one water ride. So we need to give the earliest possible time at which it can finish the both rides. Then let's look at the constraint here. The constraint are this n and m. The land ride and water rides will be less than or equal to 5 into 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4. So like the first problem, which was easy mark, the big of n solution m cross n will not work here because it will give out of bound. The time complexity will exceed 10 to the power 8. So we need to devise a optimized solution in this question. So what we can do, the first we can try land ride, then water ride, and then the second option is first we can try out the water ride and then the land ride. So what we are doing is we are calling this function solve. This is in this solve function. First, we are expecting these four arrays, which will be activity 1 start. It means which activity we are starting. So these two of the minimum of these two options. First of all, we are starting with the land ride, and then we are starting with water rides. In the next option, we have next possible solution will be we can start with water ride and then we can start with land ride. So the first activity will be here, its duration will be here, the second activity will be here, and its duration will be here. So n will be the size of first activity and n will be the size of second activity. Initially, the minimum time required to complete the first activity will be initialized with int x, and then we can iterate over the first activity and find the minimum time. The minimum time will be minimum of the minimum activity time plus and the activity start time plus duration. So this gives us the minimum activity time for the land ride in the first case and water ride in the second case. Then after completing the first activity, we need to complete the second activity. For second activity, for example, if let's say the land ride ended at 6 unit of time, then after uh, then then after performing, then we can choose the water ride, which can start at 6 p.m. or later after that or before that also. So the result will be initialized to int max, and then we can iterate over the second activity, and we can take the minimum of this result and we are taking maximum here of the minimum activity time first time, minimum activity activity one time, and the activity two start time, because we are taking max here because of this condition, uh, this here. Immediately after finishing one ride, the tourist may board the other if it is already open, or wait until it is open. It means if we have finishing the land activity at 6 units of time, but the water activity starts at 8 p.m. The 8 unit time, then we need to wait till 8. So we are taking maximum of the minimum activity one time and the activity two start time, and the total time will be by adding the duration as well. So this will give res. So in the end, we will return this res variable, which will be the earliest possible time by finishing the first activity and second activity. So the time complexity will be big O of m plus n, because we are using just for loop, and the space complexity will be big O of 1 because we are not using any external space. guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.